Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening the YouTube app and confirming Incognito is active. You need that context because Incognito stops local recording but not account-linked activity. If you are signed in, switch to Incognito or sign out. This ensures local device history is limited. Once done, open the account menu and check whether a banner says Incognito. Make sure app updates are installed, so the next steps behave consistently and you avoid surprises with hidden settings. Next, you remove both account and device traces. In YouTube, go to Settings, then History and Privacy, and tap Clear Watch History and Clear Search History. This deletes server-side activity tied to your account. Then on Android or iOS, go to the Device App Settings and clear cache or storage to wipe local artifacts. If you were signed in, open your Google Accounts data and privacy controls and pause or delete YouTube history to prevent reassociation. These steps cover both local and cloud traces. Finally, secure the setup so history stays gone. Sign out or continue using Incognito and verify YouTube history is paused in your Google account. If you still see activity, revoke YouTube app permissions or uninstall and reinstall the app to reset local tokens. Make sure to check other linked devices and Google My Activity for residual entries because synced devices can reintroduce history. If problems persist, clear browser cookies or sign out everywhere. That usually resolves stubborn
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.